More much needed rain today, and then we have an early look at your 4th of July weekend forecast. Tired of water in your basement or crawl space? Trust Finally Dry Waterproofing's family owned company to fix it right. They install permanent drainage solutions guaranteed for 2 ownerships with no year limit. Get your free inspection today at www.finallydrywaterproofing.net or call 856-491-2228. Hey everyone, it's meteorologist Joe Martucci here. We had rain on Monday and it was fairly widespread. I mean, we did have totals as high as 2.2 inches in Cream Ridge in far western Monmouth County. And while we did see over an inch for all of Monmouth and pretty much most of Ocean County, look what happened in Cape May. Barely a quarter of an inch. And the Cape May bubble, well, it looks like it's alive and well down there. Here's our setup for today on Tuesday. Low pressure system moves over a warm front that's situated across the northern part of the state. That's going to funnel in rain as we go forward into the day today. It's not a complete washout, but it's going to be gloomy and gray. And we do have periods of rain that will be with us, particularly after 2 p.m. as this system finally moves offshore here. It's much needed rain for us. There will be heavy downpours with this, and it does look like Cape May County will actually see that rain. The wettest places will still be, though, Ocean and Monmouth counties. That's where you'll see rain for most of the day on Tuesday. Here's a look at our forecast rain to come. So this is from Tuesday morning until Thursday evening, expecting anywhere between a ½ inch to an inch of rain. We will certainly take it because we are well below average when you look at our year-to-date precipitation, comparing it to where we should be for this time of the year. We're nearly 50% lower than our average precipitation year to date. Here we go. For our Tuesday, temperatures in the 70s everywhere. It's a cooler day, but it's definitely muggy and tropical feeling with periods of rain and even a few thunderstorms too. For your Tuesday night, rain during the evening. Then we start clearing out and drying out overnight. Lows should be in the 60s just about everywhere. Nose Buna in the upper 50s there. Some areas in the Pinelands should be in the 50s. And then for our Wednesday, glorious sunshine, plenty of nice weather, winds out of the northwest, 5 to 10 miles an hour. Here's a look at our temperature outlook for the 4th of July weekend, our way too early forecast. Well, definitely looks like it's going to be on the hotter side. That means high temperatures, more likely than not to be in the 90s inland and, mid to upper 80s at the beaches here. Now, the question is, how wet will it be? It looks like at this time, typical 4th of July type weather, and that means some pop-up thunderstorms. Not a washout, of course, but just something to keep an eye on the sky for. Here's a look at our 7-day forecast. Beautiful weather Wednesday and Thursday. We go to Friday and Saturday. Showers and storms come in. Looks like the wettest part will be Friday afternoon into the evening. And then as we go into Saturday, some pop-up showers and storms. Sunday looks really good. Monday looks really nice as well. Remember, we're settling into summer now. Our summertime climate pattern is here, and that typically means no all-day washouts. Today is the one exception, but after that, we're getting into sunshine. And when we see showers and thunderstorms, they're just that, showers and thunderstorms, not all day rain. Make sure to enter to win 4 tickets to see the Head and the Heart this Friday at the East Freehold Showgrounds for the Park Stage, presented by Count Basie.